Okay, let's do another example. Hold on. There we go. Let's say we had to divide 26,897 by 38. And let's do some rounding to efficiently estimate the quotient here. So what number can we round the divisor to? Well, 38 is awfully close to 40. So I may want to round that up to 40. And so that makes it a 10, so it's a nice, easier number to work with. And then if we look at, so if we've got 40, we want to know what's a nice, easy number that maybe we could divide this into that's relatively close. And so when I see 4 and then a number that's like in the 20s, 4 goes into 20 nicely, but this is a little bit closer to 24. So I'm going to round this to 24,000 even. Oops, that's a 2. And students are just following along with this one to see another example of how estimating can help us to get an approximate or a close answer. So now we have 24,000 divided by 40, which is good, but it's still a big chunky number. So let's get rid of a couple zeros, just like we did in the last example. And now we have 2,400 divided by 4, and I like that a lot better. Oh, I'm going to need more space because there's not a lot of space there. Maybe we'll do this one in red. Oops, option T. There we go. T in red. Okay. And so we can also think about this in terms of 24 divided by 4, and that is awfully friendly. We like that. And that gives us a quotient of 6. So I'm not going to write up there because it doesn't really, well, maybe I could squeeze it in. 6. So then if we go back up, 2,400 or 2,400 divided by 4 would give us 6 with 2 more zeros because there are 2 more zeros there. And sorry, got distracted by pounding downstairs. And so 24,000 divided by 40 gives us a quotient, just like we did in the last one, in the problem of 150 divided by 30 is still 600. So this is our estimate that it would be very close to 600. And then when we get out our calculator, we find that 26,897 divided by 38 is approximately 707 and 82 hundredths. Oh, sorry, I'll write it up here. It is 707, and I did this on a calculator because that's what we're going to be doing later to check our work, and 82 hundredths. And so it's close, it's a little over, but our estimate is pretty accurate. It's at least in the same place value. It's at least in the hundreds. We got 700 here, and this is 600 here. So we'll move on to the exercises next.